bathroom, there is a kitchen.
Yes, this is an enterprise product. It's like a household.
They using the Japan product?
Yes, product, Asia, Thai, Malaysian. Because the owner of this is Malaysian. My co-worker is now working in this company in my country.
Still working in the,
yes,
so you can
I think she is a
so
area manager now.
so you can take a picture and
No, I don't have a contact with her.
Do you think from your country they will something start here?
I don't know.
Yes, I will charge us.
Yes, but they mostly from the other parts of Asia. Electric heater. Oh, ang cute. Salamin. So cute.
It is pen.
Ball pen. Oh. You must have this for your work. Yes, you have. Must. Oh. Ang cute. Oh. Mas cute dito ang mga paninda ng Mr. DIY. Oh, wala. Nabul sa ano, mga ball pen. Ang cute. Ang cute. Oh, so cute. Huh? Yeah. Ang cute. Ito yung mga electronics din. Bags. Mas maganda yung paninda nila dito. Ah, here, oh, come here. Sure, that's what I buy. And my home. In the hometown. I like the bag. Sure rack. 37. Storage rack for the kitchen. Oh, 46. Smell is good for tissue. Oh. For the bathroom. Yes, you can show. Oh, ang cute, oh. Stickers. Boy, today I like this, oh. 5 only. For the wall. So cute.
Where you want?
And the wall.
So you must know now.
Yes. In the cabinet wood. In the door. Ang cute, oh.
Cabinet.
Cabinet.
Which cabinet?
Oh, ang cute, oh. Ay, more. Wait, how?
Shoes.
It's more beautiful. Ay, almost the same. Only one, oh. When I always buy one, something to buy, only one left.
But it's a
Only one na lang to, oh. Ang cute. Oh, oh. I need this for you.
No.
Bring for coffee. I ring for coffee.
No. No. My bed buddy.
Huh? Oh, Eiffel Tower. Made in China.
Yes, but it's Paris Tower.
Yes. What?
Eiffel Tower.
No, what do you say here?
The world of Denmark.
Where? Ay, oh, so many here. Oh. Peacock.
There's only one.
Here, good. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Ang dami, oh, ang ganda. Si Pikaw nila. Ang gaganda. Mas maganda dito. Kaysa dyan sa Pinas. Oh. Ang ganda. So cute. Peacock. Super cute. Ay. Red. So, dragon will be playing with this.
Yes.
I think yellow is good. Yellow. Yellow is good for the white wall. White wall. Cute. Grabe, ang gaganda. But there's also blue. Butterflies too. Cute. Super cute. Oh. Grabe, ang gaganda dito. Ang gaganda. Super cute. Oh, sailor. Sweet, oh, sailor.
Yes, that is nice.
We go there. City. We go there.
Only one.
I want this too. For my dragon. Oh. You need that, oh?
No.
Oh. 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 That is what I have before. For closet. I have that before. Oh, that closet. For the ball closet. Oh, shoe rack. So many kids. I need this. Kailangan ko to kasi pag maalikabok. Meron pala dito, mura lang. Trays. Ang cute. The garbage with cover. can. Trash can. Oh. Ang cute po. For the kitchen.
Small.
It's not small.
It's small.
It's the same size in your kitchen.
No.
Oh, it's big one. Oh, big.
5 liters.
It's big. It's not suit to your kitchen. Oh, good. Oh. Oh, mga pangsasakyan. Oh. Yung mga sasakyan. Oh, dyan. Oh. Oh, steering wheel cover. Oh. Ay. Lag-lag. Ang ganda, oh. For the car. Oh, for cooking. Oh, this, oh. For the kitchen.
Small.
Yes.
See. Tape here.
Oh. I need this for the cleaning in the radio, in the cabinet. So this is glow stick. But I need only small.
No.
So many. Glow stick. But I need a glue gun like this, oh. Glue gun. I don't have a glue gun. A gun like this, oh. So I cannot use that. That is what I told you. Glue gun. Ang cute dito, oh. Oh. Baka gusto nyo mag-drop by dito. Super cute. Oh. You need this city, oh. When in your work, oh. Oh, coffee, oh.
That yes.
Oh, you need it. Because you take 2 liters tea.
Yes.
Oh, you buy?
How much?
24. Oh. You need this, oh. For you when you go to work, oh. It's good. What color? This?
This. Because there is no.
Oh, wait. We must choose good.
Because there is no red.
Uy.
Okay, I take
This. No. I broken. You must choose the good one. This, the broke. Ay, no. This. Ay. Ayos na ako. Ang cute. Meron din sila dito. Oh, diba? Eh, here, oh. It's good. It's good.
this.
Yes. No damage. I did only wash that.
Ano pa?
Ang dami. Oh,
3.5.
that oh.
Yes, you got this 3.5. You can take.
I don't see it. You don't have put something.
6.
Huh?
6.
Oh my gosh. Sticker for the wall or in the kitchen. To avoid oil. You see? They have many here. Oh. Kitchen wall. We get 3. Only 3. But it's good.
Okay, so then next thing I will do
This?
this one I need the side.
So we know now where we go. Ang cute oh. Oh my gosh. Super cute. Ang gaganda. Oh. Poopy. Ah, this oh, I need this wall. Ay, stool. That is stool what I told you. Oh. For the ears. I don't have this. But there's no price. Blue. Oh, blue. Ah, this is good. Oh. 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 2. I don't have. Oh. Lola. Lola brand. Lola is a grandmother. Yeah. Lola. Lola. Oh. They have super cute. Oh.
Okay.
There.
There is 1.5.
They have only 9 for 4 different types. Super cute. Super. I told you you need this trash for your smoke.
No. I have that.
Oh, super cute. Oh, 30. Oh. Oh. We don't have this is in the online they have here. Jesus, oh my God, so many here. What I always wanted to search, they have here. Buti lang napunta kami rito. Ang dami. Andito pala yung hinahanap ko. Oh. So cute. Ang dami. Oh. Meron na pala ditong DIY. Oh. Storage. Pillows. And then Oh, this.
No. Eat them.
Oh. O, diba? Ang gaganda. Parang sa Daiso lang, oh. We are almost the same like that, oh, in my passport. Daiso. Oh. Curtain. Oh my God, ang laki. Ang laki na ito. Brush. Ito gamit ko. Yung cute. So cute ito.
Ale ja się się
Oh, very cute. Ay, dito may mga slippers. Ooh. Ang cute. You need this video. Oh, because she's old. Cute. Insole. Oh, insoles. Umbrella, oh. Daiso have this too. That's why Daiso was like falling down because Mr. DIY was acquired almost the Japanese product, China, something like this. Oh. Jesus, when we already know this, we should buy today. Oh my God. Oh, so many. Oh, this. Oh, jeez.
W sensie myślę, że i tak wiesz, na ścisk to nic nie wybiorę, ale mogę tak mniej więcej, nie? Wiesz, może zostać sobie tam trochę luzu i tam...
So cute. Super cute. Oh, ang gaganda. Oh, sweet, oh. Clothes. Clothes line, oh. 88. 88, oh. This is what I need. So I can put in the you call that, to the balcony like this. Oh, I need. Oh, meron pala sila dito ipito. Wala kasi dito ganyan sa Europe eh. Pero pag Asia, meron sila ganito. Oh, buti na lang meron ng DIY rito. Oh, super cute. Ah, only cheap here. Oh. Only two.
3 złote.
Ang mura. Mura din. Ayan, mga headband o pang bata. 4 lang. Ang dami. Super cute.
Ej, patrz, za złote jest królewska. Dobra, to
Hair cutting, oh. I can use it for your hair.
No.
chyba biorę. To jest już chyba trzecia.
Oh, di ba? Oh, ito, oh, meron din dito. Kaya pala eh. Hindi na masyadong patok yung ano. Dati kong, kaya pala na ano yung nalugi. Oh.
For the makeup.
Yes. Oh, penis. Let's go. It's good for the plants, oh.
It's basket for the trash.
Yes, but good for the plants too. Oh, they have also oh, cute. Oh, mga ano. Oh, so cute. Hala. Mga accessories. Yun lang. Ballpen, oh. Eh. You need this, oh. It's a ballpen. Honey, oh. Honey pie. Oh. For the tables. Tulips.
Roy?
Yes, go. Buti na lang nakapunta kami rito. Paso ang haba ng pila. Isa lang ang kahirap. So, ang cute. Tools. Oh. Locks. Cutter. Asya na asya. Ayan, mga plato. Ayan, trolley. Ayan. Sikat to dito. Ayan, matatanda. Ayan ito gamit. Pag namimili. Plastic toilet set. Ay, ito pang aso. Pusa. Ang cute. Oh, meron din dito. Ayan. Mga accessories for dogs. Meron din sila, oh. Yung pusa. Super cute. Yan lang. I cannot. Ayan. Cute. Sabi ko, Pwede ako mag-apply dito sa Mr. DIY. Pag pwede na ako mag-work. Kasi may experience.
But I never was here, so that's why I recall.
Ocean store. Kasi meron din sila. Ito. Ice cream. Oh, meron silang ice. Oh. Tinitinda. Dumplings. They have dumplings. Oh. Oh my God. Jesus. Meron din dito sa Daiso, di ba? Okay ko man. Meron dito. Ayun, mga Japanese food.
Yes.
That is the price. Maro. What is this? Snake? Yeah, chicken. Ooh, seaweed. Jesus, ang price, ang mahal. Mahal dito. Mahal para sa akin. Kasi, nasa 300 na pesos ang ano niya, palitan. Dumplings. Puro naman to Japan. Ay, ito may bitchin. Ayan. Masarap pa sa bitchin sa pagluto. Mami. Made in France. For cooking. Uy, may labong. Oh, they have coco. Nata di coco. This is nata di coco. Oh. Thai. What is this? Ah, oh, may mga ulam na dito. Ayun. Yan.